How much does an electrician make in Equatorial Guinea? The average electrician income in Equatorial Guinea is around 3,500 US dollars a year. That is average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, your take-home pay drops to $3,000, which leaves you with roughly $250 each month. Electrician wages in large cities are higher than in rural areas, so an electrician's salary in Bata brings home about $3,500 after tax, though higher living costs in the city often balance out that gain. Entry-level electrician pay sits below this average, but earnings go up as you gain experience. Getting a university degree helps you move past the basic level, and that education helps you step up into higher-paying roles like electrical supervisor or maintenance manager. On top of that, learning special skills inside your electrician work adds even more to your earnings.